Hey everyone, it's Cashew with Bucky. Today's adventure is going to take me up to Columbus, Ohio to the Columbus Convention Center. There's an interactive art installation there called As We Are, and it's supposed to be the ultimate selfie experience. This is the brainchild of Matthew Mohr, who's on the faculty of the Columbus College of Art and Design. And essentially what you do, you go into this photo booth and it takes images of your head at various angles. Come out of the booth, wait a few minutes, and then your face appears on this giant head. And the giant head is 14 feet high, weighs over 3 tons, and has 850,000 LED lights. So I'm not really sure what to expect out of all this. So we'll be going through this together. I haven't done this before. I don't know much about it, so it'll be quite the experience for all of us, I think. So, imasho! Let's go!
So there's this photo booth behind the head. You get your picture taken, and then in 2 minutes your face appears. Okay, so here's the head. Here's the giant head. And back here is the photo booth. And you walk in, and here's the screen with all the cameras that takes your picture. So here we go. Okay, so it's approved. Now we go out and wait. And here's my selfie. And there I am again, making a face. Look like I'm having an autopsy done on me.
So that was As We Are. I don't know if that was really the ultimate selfie experience or not. I'm not one to take selfies, honestly. The only time I'm in front of a camera is when I'm doing this. The one thing I did notice that everybody who had their picture made complained that the picture was not a very good image of themselves, and everybody complained that the giant head made them look bald. So if you're in the Columbus area, check it out and see what your experience is with it. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Be sure to ring the notification bell and subscribe to my channel. And if you already subscribe, please encourage others to subscribe as well. Help me reach 1,000 subscribers. And down in the description box, I have links to my PayPal and my Patreon page if you'd like to contribute to my channel and help me take my adventures further. Until next time, this is Cashew with Bucky, signing off. Another thing they offer free of charge is to email you the image of your face from the installation.